This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Air filter renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever, located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet safety catch and raise the bonnet. The air cleaner is located in front of the battery in the left-hand front corner of the engine compartment when viewed from the driver's seat. Undo the cover retaining screws, then lift the air cleaner cover, taking care not to put any strain on the intake ducting and air mass meter. Remove the filter. Remove any debris inside the air cleaner by wiping the housing with a clean cloth. Locate the new air filter element in position, ensuring that the edges are securely seated. Refit the cover. Tighten all the screws to secure the filter housing cover in place. Close the bonnet, ensuring that it shuts securely.